A horizontal line stretching nearly 70 meters embraces the land without weight, almost like a breath of architecture suspended in time. This is Akúun House. As you approach, it becomes clear how small the house is compared to the vastness of the land. It occupies only 1/5 of the total area, preserving vegetation as a true protagonist. Eucalyptus trees and the typical flora of Yucatán rise steadfastly on each side, forming an impenetrable green barrier that provides complete privacy. All spaces are arranged on a single level, between the floor and the slab that define the house structure. Here, each surface, wood, concrete, stone, interacts delicately, creating visual openings that reveal the greenery outside, while inviting touch, gaze, and the feel of textures that breathe life. The house is fully open to the north and south, seeking natural ventilation and abundant light in every space, while remaining embraced by nature. The residence seems to be split in two by a poplar tree that crosses through a central courtyard. On one side, the social areas. On the other, the private ones. And around this tree, an open corridor emerges, allowing free circulation across the house, dissolving boundaries between indoors and outdoors. The crema marfil flooring and Nawala limestone exterior connect seamlessly across the transition of spaces. Along the way, interior platforms flow into small patios, where organic sculptures reinforce the dialogue with art. The gentle breeze enters through the large openings, keeping the house cool in the tropical climate. The intent is clear: natural comfort without the need for mechanical control. In the green corridor of the main entrance, the pre-existing vegetation surrounds the path, leading toward the garage and the more private areas of the house, a silent invitation to relax and reconnect with the surrounding landscape. The main access is marked by the presence of a guanacaste tree, rising beside the esplanade as the welcoming heart for visitors. Walking through Akúun House is to understand that architecture here is never imposed. It is a bond with the place, with the Yucatán sky, the wind, and the vegetation. It is to feel that every step keeps nature alive within a home that celebrates the life dwelling inside.